In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create a heartbeat effect in Premiere Pro. We'll be using this clip for the heartbeat effect. First, duplicate the layer. Hold Alt, then click and drag to make a copy. We're going to add the effect to the top layer. Go to Effects and search for Transform, then apply it to the top layer. We need to add keyframes to the scale. We could do that in the default scale, but adding the transform effect will give us some extra features. We'll see that in a minute. When the heart beats, we have a small beat and then a bigger beat. We can show that by increasing the scale by a small amount first and then by a bigger amount. Click the stopwatch icon to place a keyframe. Now move forward 4 or 5 frames. We can do that by pressing the right arrow key on your keyboard. Now increase the scale to 105. You can increase it more or less, that's totally up to you. Now again move forward 4 frames and then set the scale back to 100. Again, move forward 4 frames and this time we'll go for 110. This is for the bigger beat. Finally, move forward 4 frames and set it back to 100 again. So what we did here is create a small jump first and then go for a bigger jump. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, perfect. We can add some blur to it. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and then increase the shutter angle to 360. This will add some motion blur. Finally, reduce the opacity to around 50%. This will give us a nice smooth effect. Now we just need to copy and paste these keyframes a few times. Select all the keyframes and copy them by pressing Ctrl+C. Go to the last keyframe. Now you need to move forward around 20 frames. You can right-click on the time and change the display to frames. I think it's easier that way. You can also type frame numbers manually from here. For example, I want to move forward 20 frames from the 22nd frame, so I'll just type 22 plus 20, which is 42. Now press Ctrl+V to paste. Go to the last frame again and repeat the process for the entire video or for the duration you want. Here you can see that our visuals are perfectly created. Finally, add a heartbeat sound effect. We need to place the sound effect for each heartbeat. Once you've found the right amount of spacing, you can place it pretty easily. Now let's play it. This is how you can easily create a heartbeat effect in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.